What's up, audience? Another day, another vlog in the YouTube orbit. Thanks for watching Rictor Vlogs. So what we've got here is some leftover Easter candy. And what do you do with leftover Easter candy? You try to make it explode. So a longtime Facebook viewer said, hey, what are you going to do with those peeps? So I'm going to show my buddy on Facebook what I'm going to do with those extra peeps. So let's take a look at our friends here. So we've got a bunny and peep peep, marshmallow goodness, beep 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 beep, and another bunny. So bunny, peep, and bunny. And what are they on top of? A microwave. Alright, let's prep these peeps for the microwave. So here we are, and I'm a passionate man, so I've provided some blindfolds for the bunnies. The peep said, I'm hardcore, I'm just going to take it on the chin. So I salute you, Purple Peep. And we'll see how this goes. Alright, so let's go. I took out the turntable. Purple hardcore peep. See how he does. Let's see here. Turn the nozzle. 30 seconds. See how Purple Peep does. Say hi, Purple Peep. Oh, jeez. Oh boy, that's a lot of marshmallow right there. Oh, lots of smoke. Lots of smoke. Oh, where's that smoke gonna go? Oh, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, I can smell the smoke. Oh, do you see the smoke coming out? Oh, man, if you could smell what that is cooking right there. Oh, the poor Purple Peep. No kidding. Wow, let's go ahead and just try getting this out of here real quick. Ooh. There's the Purple Peep. Poor Purple Peep. That was a paper plate. Probably not the best choice. But that is one crazy peep. I'll eat that later. Put you over here on the stove. Okay. Paper plate number 2. Okay. Time for our 2 lone bunnies. Kind of see him in there. What do you think this time? That was 30 seconds. I want to see an explosion. Let's see how it goes at 1 minute. Oh no! Whoa! Y'all catch that? Oh wowee! That's a... Okay, we're stopping at about 20 seconds here. Oh, look at that. Smoke's coming up. Way puffed out. I really could not muck up the microwave there. Some sparks flew in the very beginning. It puffed up huge. My wife said if I make a mess, I'm gonna have to clean it up. I didn't feel like cleaning it up. I don't know, folks. Did I end it too early? Should I let it go the full minute? Let's pull it out real quick. Oh, that's some craziness. Their blindfolds and everything. Here, go be with your friend. The Purple Peep. Me. There we have it. Thanks for watching Rictor Vlogs.
Awesome!